Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. This week is flying by since it's only a 4-day week. I can't believe we are already at Wednesday. Today is National Sunscreen Day. So make sure if you are outside in this warm, sunny weather that you are wearing sunscreen to protect your skin. We have some shout outs from last week for friends who got 100s on their iReady math. So we have Ty, Arcadia, Ariana, Madison, Charlie, Isabella, Henry, Amaya, Noah, Essay, I put her on there twice, Carson, Ariel, Tien, Derek, Olivia, Eden, and Gabby. Keep up the awesome work, everyone. Can't wait to see who my shout outs are for next week. We have some fun end of year updates for you. So our 5th grade team is going to be doing a virtual class picnic. We can't be celebrating it together in person, but we're going to celebrate together virtually. So on June 15th, that's a Monday, at 10 a.m., we are going to celebrate the end of year together. We are going to play some games, spend some time together, and enjoy a trip down memory lane. Mrs. Kyers, Mrs. Deviney, and myself have planned some fun activities. All you need to do is bring a can of whipped cream and your favorite 5th grade highlight or memory, and we will see you on June 15th at 10 a.m. Mrs. Ziegler is also going to be doing her end of year Nate Perry assembly on June 16th, so the next day at 9 a.m. And she's going to be doing a Facebook Live. So she's going to be on the Nate Perry Facebook page at 9 o'clock, and she's going to be live streaming the end of year assembly. For those of you who are busy at 9 a.m., we will share a recorded version later on our Google Classroom. But if you want to now, you or your parents go and follow Nate Perry Elementary School on Facebook, you will be all set to see her live stream on June 16th at 9 a.m. We have our digital memory book on Google Classroom, so this is up there for you to work on. It is in my Google Classroom, and it is a fun way for you to reflect on your highlights of 5th grade. This headphone does not want to stay in my ear. We have our 5th grade girls and boys lunch bunch. So on Thursday, May 28th, this Thursday at 12 o'clock, we'll do a girls lunch bunch. And then Friday, May 29th at 12 o'clock, we will do a boys lunch bunch. So if you are a 5th grader and want to join in on either of those, please do. We'll play some games, hang out together, eat a little lunch, and say hello. Fell right on out. This week, we have a lot of Google Meets. So at 10 a.m., Mrs. Kyers has a meeting, so I'm wondering if she will have to reschedule this 10 a.m. meet. She has a training, so double check the Google Classroom and our class website for information from Mrs. Kyers. But at 11 o'clock, my homeroom has a class meeting. And then at 12 o'clock, I rescheduled our math questions that normally is on Tuesday to Wednesday. So if you have any math questions, you're going to hop on at 12 o'clock today. And then at 12:30, I have my Harry Potter read aloud. And then at 1 o'clock, Mrs. Deviney's homeroom has a class meeting. But what we're actually doing is we are opening up that class meeting to anyone in 5th grade to share our favorite things about the talent show. So it's kind of like a talent show celebration. So if you participated or you watched the talent show, you can join Mrs. Deviney's Google Meet. Mrs. Franco's going to be there. I'm going to be there. Mrs. Kyers is going to be there. And we're going to share all the awesome things we loved about the talent show. So you'll click on the link in Mrs. Deviney's Google Classroom banner. And that's at 1 o'clock today. So we have a lot of Google Meets happening. So definitely join in. Now, Mrs. Kyers has a fun activity for your Thursday ELA. And for those of you who are on the Google Meet yesterday, Mrs. Kyers did show you this, but for those of you who were unable to join, she has created a fun Wiser activity for your practice of the root word mem. So mem, like memory or remember. There are a ton of activities. So there's a matching activity, and then there's a paragraph writing activity. And this is posted right on her Google Classroom. And this is tomorrow's MEM activity. So if you want to take a look today, you can kind of get a head start. And this is what you're going to be doing on Thursday for Mrs. Kyers. Lastly, we have our overview of the day. So you are doing some independent practice problems where you are graphing on the coordinate plane. You are also doing iReady for math for 15 minutes. For ELA, you are listening to an informational text read aloud. And then you are also doing iReady ELA for 15 minutes. So that's something new that you typically don't do on Wednesdays, but you are doing today. Mrs. Deviney has the Wild Robot. Mrs. Deviney has the Living Through History journal, and she also put up a comparing Memorial Day ceremonies. So that's a different activity that you can be doing this week. Your other optional activities are the Wild Robot, Achieve, and any other of the assignments that are beyond math and ELA. We hope to see you at our Google Meets today, the Talon Show debrief at 1 o'clock, math questions at noon, Harry Potter read aloud, and then our individual class happened again, Google Meets. I hope you all have an awesome Wednesday, and I hope to see you later. Bye.